Ki kato kat ne ki kertong ke UDP ki badan hapok ke sarkar MDA 2.0. Ila kemen rembui iba job nak amla rem 7 constituency kumba kat New Hajar Praspa Woods. Iba kermen cela iba job nak 6 Cleariat constituency kumba arku Hajar Sanspa kat Woods. Iba Meryl Bonds iba job nak nongpo kendai constituency kumba kat Hajar kendai spa Woods. Iba Renekton Lingdo Tongkar iba job nak mau kerwat 36 constituency kumba Hajar Ruspa Neopopra Woods. Iba Medba Lingdo iba job nak Mairang Laipo constituency kumba kat kendai Hajar Dripon Woods. Iba Pius Marwin iba job nak Ranikor Laipusan constituency kumba kat Hajar Sanspa Woods. Iba Balajit Kupar Senrem iba job nak Sheila 26 constituency kumba kat Hajar Aspa Neopusa Woods. Iba Polengdo iba job nak West Shillong Katpra constituency kumba Hajar Kendai Spa kat New Woods. Iba Olan Singh Sun iba job nak Mausen Ram 25 constituency kumba Hajar Kendai Spa Prapo New Woods. Iba Matthew Bionstar Kurba iba job nak Mauplang Arpusau constituency kumba Hajar Ruspa Kendai Woods. Bat kabakando ita ide iba Nujor Kisungo iba nak Mokoyao 4 constituency kumba kat Hajar Sanspa Pra Woods.